Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Carlyss local and long-distance movers near me. The word local doesn't just imply that the movers are based in a specific locality, but that they specialize in moving things within that locality. You find some excellent Carlyss movers in 2023 who do local relocation if you do your research. One of them is Carlyss Local TM Movers. Local movers can make your relocation within the area quick and smooth because they know how to navigate factors that affect relocation there. Long-distance movers can navigate the regulations affecting relocation in different places, and that's one way they keep your relocation smooth. They typically have insurance coverage, so when damages or losses happen, you aren't left to handle it all alone. They may be expensive to hire, but you can find cheaper options if you ask several of them for quotes. There are several Louisiana movers who do a great job moving things into Carlyss, and Carlyss Long Distance 3 Movers is one. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Carlyss moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.